finally got the fabric. It's a beautiful, I call it an ink blue velvet. I kind of like it. It's a real beautiful fabric, and I can't wait to start cutting it. So here we go. So we got all our measurements for the body of the sofa. The cushions come later, but we're all ready to go to cut them. Hey guys, so I got the body all cut out. I'm really happy too because for the decking we saved a little fabric. We usually don't want to self-deck because that's an extra two yards of fabric or 2.5 yards of fabric. So sometimes we have what we call decking material. So I found a nice blue that sometimes it's just beige, but I like this color blue for under the cushions. You don't see it. And you know, in case the cushions separate, you might want to see something other than beige against the ink blue of the velvet. So the other thing I did was I actually we had an old repair that I think I told you on a previous video or previously that we actually fixed that. I thought that I needed to just start all over again, so I took the leg off, took all the screws that were holding it as an old repair, I thought, and then we replaced it with the original, or what the original would be on the other legs, with dowels. So I know I got a really strong leg. I feel confident about that too, and I think I'm ready to go on the upholstery. So I'm going to remove most of the cover except the seat and the deck and begin with that. So let's get started.